The rise of the machines, AI-powered drones in combat. Imagine a battlefield where decisions are made in milliseconds, where precision strikes are carried out without a human pilot, and where the future of warfare unfolds in the skies. Welcome to the era of AI-powered drones, machines that are not just tools, but autonomous game-changers in combat. The future of warfare introducing AI-powered drones. Drones have been around for decades, but artificial intelligence is taking them to the next level. From advanced targeting systems to autonomous navigation, AI is rewriting the rules of engagement. But how does this technology actually work? And what does it mean for the future of warfare? AI's role in modern warfare. AI-powered drones are more than just flying cameras or remote-controlled weapons. They're designed to think, adapt, and act on their own. These machines analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying targets, assessing threats, and executing missions with minimal human input. AI enables drones to operate in environments too dangerous or complex for humans, offering unparalleled efficiency and precision. The capabilities of AI drones. Imagine a drone that can navigate a dense jungle, avoid obstacles, identify enemy combatants, and strike, all without human intervention. AI drones can even communicate with each other, forming swarms that coordinate attacks like never before. But it doesn't stop there. Examples of AI drones in action. AI-powered drones are already being used by militaries around the globe. From surveillance missions in conflict zones to surgical strikes against high-value targets, these machines are proving their worth. But their growing use also raises some serious questions. Beyond the battlefield, the ethical implications of AI drones. As powerful as AI drones are, their rise brings a storm of ethical dilemmas. Who is responsible when an autonomous drone makes a mistake? Should machines have the power to decide life and death? And what happens if these technologies fall into the wrong hands? The future ahead, what can we expect? The rise of AI-powered drones is inevitable. But will humanity control the machines, or will the machines control us? As the line between science fiction and reality blurs, one thing is clear: the future of warfare will never be the same. What do you think about AI-powered drones? Are they the ultimate game-changer or a dangerous step into uncharted territory? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the future of technology.